Mader, so swerte at ibinandera ang polo ni Paulo na nakuha sa pabasar ni Kim. Limang araw ang orihinal na schedule ng closet bazaar ni Kim Chiu, pero isang araw at kalahati lang, ubos na ang mga tinda niya. Sa bagay talagang dumagsa ang fans ni Kim. Madaling araw pa lang nandun na sila at nakapila. Buti na lang at napaghandaan ang kanyang team. Kaya ang appreciation post ni Kim, it is a three-way happiness indeed. #Kim Chiu Closet Bazaar 2026. Extremely grateful for the overwhelming love and support. What was supposed to be 5 days turned into just 1.5 days, and honestly, I am still in awe. Maraming salamat sa oras na binigay nyo sa mahabang pila, yung iba na half-time sa work or nag-absent, and to those who flew in, drove for hours from the province just to be here. Sobrang nakakataba po ng puso. I am truly overwhelmed in the best way. This bazaar became a three-way happiness. Happiness for me, happiness for you, and happiness for our chosen charity. At nagbigay pala si Vice Ganda ng additional clothes na ibinenta nila. Thank you at Ryan Bang at Paldo Restaurant for the place and the special rate. Salamat. Sobra. Also to Mama at Ray Benjamin for the additional clothes racks. Maraming salamat. Dagdag pa niya. To everyone who both supported, line up and shares this moment with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. My Chinita Princess heart is extremely happy. Please take care of my #OOTD KSYC. Nang intriga naman ang ibang fans kung bakit may polong naibenta sa nasabing closet bazaar ni Chinita Princess. Tuwang-tuwa nga ang mga naka-avail na mga damit ni Chinita Princess, lalong higit yung mga iconic na isinuot sa kanyang pelikula at mga serye. Samantala, isang Mader naman ang ifinlex at so happy na nabili niya ang isa sa polo ni Paulo Avellino na nasa Kim Chiu Closet Bazaar din. Kaya naman, marami talaga ang naghihinala na talagang magkasama ng dalawa sa isang bahay, kaya pati damit ni Paulo ay andon. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.